Hey Buzz Babes, thanks for tuning in to another video. Today we're back with Bobbi Boss and we are doing T1B Burgundy Soft Locks. The very tips are a gorgeous cherry red color and the rest of the lock is a black and cherry blend. Now these are what the locks look like. They are absolutely beautiful, 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 beautiful. Today we are going to be doing the knotless soft lock look, so stay tuned. We are also going to be using this Red One hair wax. This is my favorite hair wax or hair gel to use for all of my styles and for all of my clients. This is just 1 week, not even 1 week. And I'm also going to be using my precision parting comb. I just scooped some of the gel out and I placed it on one of the tags that came in packaging. I'm also going to be using this cherry red color wrapping hair by Expression. I believe you can also get some with Bobbi Boss, but this is what I had. And I'm just going ahead and I'm adding on the red hair edge wax on the front of her hair. I am doing seashell parting. You can do whatever type parting that you like to do. Me personally, I like the way the seashell parting looks. It gives it I want to say like a free parting look. It's not too uniform. Now, if my clients do want a uniform parting look, I do go ahead and offer, square parting, triangle parting, if that's something that they want. But me personally, I like to do the seashell parting. So what I do is I part the hair, I brush in all of the edges because that's how she wanted it. She didn't want any of her edges left out. And I start to braid her hair with the lock. Now with this lock, we are going to be doing the knotless look. So I'm going to split the lock in two, and the smaller section I'm going to cut off with a pair of scissors, and then I'm going to braid it into her hair, as you can see me doing. This is how the hair is going to look after you cut off that excess hair, nice and slender. For the knotless look, that's what we're going for. You want a super flat look, a super flat lock, and that's how you achieve it, by cutting off that extra hair because you don't want it to be too bulky. So what you do is you part the hair, you braid about 3 times, and then you feed the hair in and braid over it. If done correctly, this is how the lock and the braid should look together. Now you're going to go ahead and get your wrapping hair, pinch off a good amount, not too much because you don't want it to be too thick, but because her hair color is a different color, you do want to have enough of the wrapping hair. So what you're going to do is you're going to wrap up, then wrap down. Make sure that you're wrapping over the hair securely and close enough so that you're tucking the color if the color does not match. So being that her hair is more of a color 2 and we are doing red locks, I had to make absolutely sure that her color was not showing. Now you can upcharge because this is extra work that you're doing, wrapping it tighter than you normally would. With this technique, it's kind of closer to the goddess lock technique. So that's just what I did. Again, I'm showing you how I pinch off the hair, wrap up, and then wrap down, making sure that you're securing the hair, making sure that you're wrapping close together and securely covering the hair color. This is the number one thing that you want with this look. Any type of color look, you want to make sure that you're wrapping close enough and completely covering the client's natural hair color. You don't want any of the hair color peeking through. Now, if you do have some peeking through, that's perfectly fine. Just go back with a small piece of the wrapping hair and cover it. And after you pinch off the wrapping hair, you cut it in half, or you can use a long strand. For her, I did both. I used half and I used a long strand. Again, I'm showing you how I braid in the hair, and I'm going to show you how I wrap up mid-shaft and then wrap down. This is my preferred method with doing any type of lock look. I feel like it completely secures the lock. You won't have any slippage. Most of my clients, they like to get their hair done for vacation. We're in the Tampa Bay area, so there's a lot of water. You just want to make sure that your locks aren't slipping and sliding. You want to make sure that they're lasting at least 6 to 12 weeks. Yes, they can last up to 12 weeks with proper maintenance, proper installation, just taking care of the hair. And as you can see, these are perfectly covered, Perfectly done. Absolutely beautiful. For this clip, again, I'm going to be showing you how I add the edge wax, how I do the shell parting, how I feed the hair in to create that perfect knotless lock look. So just stay tuned for the rest of the video. I'm also going to be showing you the final look, and I'm going to be showing you a beautiful 2-strand twist style. So be sure to stay tuned, and also be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video. If you have any questions or any other video suggestions, please be sure to leave a comment below. All information is in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. This is the final look. Absolutely beautiful. Look how it just blends in with her skin. It's giving everything it was supposed to have gave. Absolutely beautiful. I love, love, love this color. I'm so happy they came out with this new color. I love how the color goes from the cherry color to the black and cherry mix to the cherry color at the tips. Now we're going to go ahead and get into the style. Now for this style, I wanted to do like flat twists on the side of her head and 2-strand twists in the back and at the bottom. So that's what you see me doing here. You just see me adding in the twists, basically like a feed-in twist onto her scalp. And then I'm doing 2-strand twists at the bottom. I do have 4 twists in this because it was 4 locks in that row. I was just wrapping one over the other and then completing the 2-strand twist with a black rubber band at the bottom. And as you can see, they are flat twists to the root because after I did this style, I went ahead and I put it into a ponytail. So I wanted it to be slick on the sides and give her sort of a bang look in the front into the ponytail. You guys are going to see at the end. It's absolutely beautiful. Again, you don't have to do the flat twist on the side. You could just do regular 2-strand twist, which you would grab 2 locks or 3 locks and just wrap over each other as I'm doing right here. Just slowly wrapping over each other, getting a black rubber band and securely wrapping at the bottom. Now, when you wrap at the bottom with the rubber band, you can fold the locks up or you can just secure the rubber band over the locks. You don't have to fold them up. Me personally, I like to fold them up and secure with the rubber band versus just having the ends dangle out at the bottom. On this side, I'm repeating the same process I did on her other side. I'm just deepening the flat twist so that she can have a bang into a ponytail like I explained in the beginning. Again, we are just twisting the locks over each other. We're grabbing one strand, twist over, grab another strand, twist over, and towards the bottom, you would do basically 2-strand twists. You want the locks to be evenly split between 2 groups. Twist them over each other and secure with the rubber band at the bottom. This is the final look. Absolutely beautiful with these 2-strand twists. I love them and she loved them, and I love the pop of color at the end. And here is the look with the bang. Look how it is with the 2-strand twist, with the flat twist. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you again for tuning in. See you next time.